how to title your online course, your modules, and your lessons. Now, every single title you have on your course, in your modules, and in your lessons is searchable by Google, which is awesome for your search engine optimization. So your course title, your module titles, and your lesson titles need to be exactly what your audience are typing into Google. Because if your course, lessons, and module titles match the questions they're typing in, it's your course that's going to come up in the search results, which means it's your course that's going to sell. So this is why I literally say to people, call what your course is, literally, what's the word I'm trying to say? Say what it is on the tin. My online course, which has made me the most money, is how to create profitable courses, or how to create an online course, is not called that because I was having an uncreative day. It's called that because that's what people are typing into Google. It's done on purpose. So people who come up with names like, I don't know, the bubble effect, or the super fluffy unicorn step course to something, these funny names, these creative, wacky, unique names are not going to do you any favors at all when it comes to selling your course. Now, you can come up with a wacky, unique name if you already have a massive audience and somebody knows and people know who you are. Because then you just sell it to them. But otherwise, you need to be using Google search engine to work for you, so that when people type in questions, it's Google that will show your course up in the results. So go back to your original research stuff that you did in module 1, where you went to Facebook groups, where you went to answer the public, where you went and did your Google pre-fill, autofill question things, and remind yourself of the questions that your audience were asking and typing into Google, and what were the common key phrases and key terms. When you went into Facebook groups, what were the common questions people were asking? And you are going to, as far as you possibly can, change your course title, your module titles, and your lesson titles to be as close as possible to those questions. You want your titles to be their questions. All right. So if your course is about how to use essential oils, don't call it, Stephanie's magical guide to essential living. Literally call it how to use essential oils, because that's what people are typing into Google. It sounds really boring and unimaginative, but if you want Google to work for you, this is what you've got to do. All right. So you, for instance, can change these lessons to how to, steps to, ways to, what is the process for, whatever it is that people are asking in your audience. So now I'd like you to go back to your course plan, and you're going to finish off your course plan now by updating all of your modules, titles, all of your module lessons, and the title of your course now to be the how to whatever it is that your online course is teaching.